Hello and welcome to a new 2-minute tongue twister challenge. This week, the tongue twister is a warm worm walks to work. Once more, a warm worm walks to work. So this is practicing the sounds or and and switching between the sounds or. A warm worm walks to work. Okay, the words that have or in them are warm and walks, and the sounds that have in them are worm and work. So can you say those sounds? Or, warm, walks, and worm, work. Can you hear the difference? So try the tongue twister. A warm worm walks to work. Now, you try. So how did you go? Could you say the tongue twister? A warm worm walks to work? Keep practicing. A little bit of practice each day will help to strengthen your English muscles, which will improve your English pronunciation and so improve your English listening. For lots more tongue twisters, plus limericks, and lots of other ways to practice your English pronunciation, head over to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym. You can find it right here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. You can go and do a workout anytime. Go there regularly to strengthen your English muscles. Head over there and have a workout now. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.